Well, how about that? The ladies are gone for the day. They're doing a little staycation with some of their girlfriends. So me and the fellas are gonna chill out tonight, and I'm gonna burn up a bunch of these scraps I got piled up everywhere. Try to get it cleaned up a little bit. Be a great time. And it rained yesterday and last night, so everything's wet. Lay down my nice dry layer, and I could build my fire on top of it. We'll do a little cheating today. Amazon, we always get all this paper. Great for getting a fire going. Get some fire. Let's get this rolling. Rocking and rolling now. Time for a good night of relaxing, jamming some good music, smoking some cigars. I'll bring y'all back a little later on. I got plenty of stuff to burn up. Bark and scraps from the lower yard splitting session, all burned up. I'm about to go load up the wheelbarrow from the stuff from the upper yard. See how much stuff we could set on fire today. I'm gonna see how much of this stuff I can get burned up today. A bunch of bark and scraps from the last splitting session. Some pieces just too far gone to stack and it's just oddly shaped. Then I got this fungus wood over here. Now I'm gonna see how much of it I could also burn up. Hopefully I can get it all cleared out. I'm down here at the woodshed. I got this pile of bark. It's been piled up over here. We burned everything up the hill. I'm gonna start burning into this and possibly into that stuff over there. That turned out to be a pile of ashes. Got that pile of bark cleared out and started burning some of these old scraps here. Did a pretty good job. Got everything burned up last night, even that pile of rotten wood. So now, I'm ready to start cutting and splitting some more.